guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a JOMSO Lehenga unboxing. Now, I've already done few Lehenga unboxing from the same brand. If you guys want to check that out, I'll give the link somewhere here. And if this is your first time watching me and if you like what you watch, then please do consider subscribing my channel. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. Here's how JOMSO does its courier. So this is how it came. Now without wasting time, let me open the product. So this is the product I ordered. It's a ravishing deep sea color net lehenga, and this is what I got. First, let's see the skirt. This is how the skirt looks. It comes in this sea blue color, and the fabric used here is soft net, and underneath this they have given a satin lining. Again, the fabric is very nice. The feel of it is very soft. The stitching of the lehenga is very neat and nice. You will not see any random threads hanging here and there, and near the waistline they have given this beautiful lace detailing. If my camera is not focusing this, I'm going to give a very close-up picture. And all throughout the body of the lehenga there's this sequence detail. It's nice, and the glue used to stick this is very strong, so none of the stones or design is falling off. And the best part of this choli is that the bottom, it's very different and nice. It has this zigzag piping, which is going to really look nice once you wear this. And the choli is very soft and very light.
The design of the skirt is high and low, so the ends or the sides of the skirt is a little shorter than the between of the skirt. So maybe it's because of the stitching or the piping details.
To the blouse fabric, so it is attached to the dupatta. So again, it comes in the same sea blue color, and they have given this beautiful embroidery, floral embroidery, golden, white and copper. Again, there's like a golden pearl stuck. So this is the back of the blouse. So the design or the embroidery is very clear and nice, and this is the front part of the blouse. Again, this is also very nice. It's the same floral design. They have given embroidery for the sleeves as well. Again, the same floral design. And the fabric used here is raw silk, and there's about 0.80 meter of fabric, which I think is a standard size for a blouse. So I'm really impressed with the blouse fabric. Next, coming to the dupatta, it comes in this parrot green color, softer parrot green I could tell, and there's this beautiful lace detailing. The fabric of this is not very rough or not very soft, so I'm not sure if this is net or not.
The fabric of this dupatta is tissue, and the lace is stitched really well using a golden thread, so you will not see any stitches.
And the length of this is enough for an adult to wear this, so nice.
My height is 5.4 and I'm wearing like 4 inches of heels here, and the skirt is still long, and this will fit up to waist of 40 to 42 inches, and there is no cancan attached underneath the skirt.
Now coming to the site, JOMSO is a site where you can get all kind of ethnic wear, starting from saris, lehengas, cholis, and it's very easy to order. You can place through WhatsApp or through their site jomso.com, and then they do have cash on delivery option. And the best thing is they ship worldwide, and it's very easy to return as well. If you didn't like a product or if you get a defective product, what you'll have to do is you just have to mail them, and they will collect the product and then they will give you a credit note. Now coming to the product, what I really think about this, I am really satisfied. I'm very happy to get this product. The fabric, the embroidery, the color, everything is very different and unique. Everything is on point and it looks exactly like how it is shown in the picture. I would like to rate it 4 out of 5. Coming to the price, the original price was 3000 rupees and the discounted price was 1650, which I think is the best deal. Now I'm going to link this in the description box. If you want to check it out or if you want to shop it, you can. And that's it guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.